Hello students, today we will learn about functions. Before knowing about functions, we must be aware about what is sets, Cartesian products, relations, and after that we come to the functions. What is sets? Set is a well-defined collection of data. It means if we are creating some set, we are collecting some data. If everyone will collect the same data, then that collection is called set. What is Cartesian product? It is denoted as A cross B. This is the set of all ordered pair, where the first element A belongs to A and second element B belongs to set B. After that, some special kind of ordered pair, where the ordered pair having some relations. Relation is a set of ordered pair where both the elements A and B are having some relation. Is called relations. Now function. Function is also the set of ordered pair where two elements A and B both are having relation with each other. But there are some certain conditions, like first condition, every element of A, every element of set A must have a image, must have a image. And secondly, every element of A will have one and only one image in B. Every element will have one and only one image. Then such kind of ordered pair will be called functions. It means I can say that every function is a relation and every relation is a subset of Cartesian product, and Cartesian product is the product of two sets. Now, what is function? Function means some relation. In that relation, we have two specific conditions. First condition is every element of A must have an image and every element will have one and only one image. What is function? Function is a relation where every element of set A is having one and only one image in set B. It means if we check any relation, then there must be some relation or function. Some relation or function. Which relation will be called function? If it satisfies that every element of A having the image, and second condition is one and only one image, then that will be called function. In set builder form, I can write that function is from A to B and function is defined as it is set of ordered pair X and Y. Why is set of ordered pair? Because from Cartesian product there are some functions we have where first and second element have some relations, and if in any relation there is certain condition, two conditions satisfies, then that relation is a function. It means again a set of order pair will be called function. Set of order pair will be called function if we have relation between X and Y and every element of A will be have one and only one image in B. What is function? It is set of order pair where x belongs to A, y belongs to B, and y means f of x. It means some relation between x and y. This is called function. Again in this x and y, x is called preimage, y is called image. Now domain. Domain means set of first element. Set of first element means all x, x1, x2, all that element which have some image in B. Set of first element. And in the case of function, the domain will always equal to first set, because in function every element is having an image. It means there is no element remain in A which don't have any image. Okay? So in this case, in the case of function, first set A is our domain. And what is codomain? That you know that. Second set, that is B. Now what is range? Range means second element. Set of second element, it means y's. Okay, then it is in the last module we have given some example which is like this. In set A, I am having some alphabet A, B, C and D. And in set B, I am having some names like Anu, Priya and suppose Dev. And the relation is defined as, relation is set of order pair A and B, and A is first alphabet of element B. Make the arrow diagram of this. This is A and B. A, B, C and D. Anu, Priya and Dev. Okay? A is related with Anu, B is not related with anyone, and D is related with Dev. It means I am having only two pairs. This is A Anu and B Dev. This is a relation, but it cannot be function. And I can say that it is not a function because here element B and C are not having any image. Are you getting my point? Element B and C are not having any image in B. Here two elements are remaining here. So it is not a function. It is a relation, but it is not a function. Suppose that in the same example, I am giving some like this. A is like A, B, C and D, and in B I am having Anu, Priya, Dev, Bhanu, Chayan. Okay? Now what happened to in this question? Dev, Bhanu and Chayan. Okay? Now, if I am given the same definition that the set of order pair A and B, where A is first alphabet of B. What will happen here? A is related with Anu, B will be related with Bhanu take some more questions like Damini. Okay. A is related with Anu, B is relating with Bhanu, C is with Chayan, and D is with Dev and Damini. Now, every element is having an image. In this question, every single element of A is having some image in B. It means there are no image element remaining in A. Everyone is having at least some image. So, is it now a function? No. It is again not a function. Why it is not a function? Because look at here. D is having two images. D Damini and D Dev. Element D is having two images. And what is the definition of function? The function is a relation. What is function? Function is a relation, but in that functions from every element of A will have one and only one image in B. Okay, one and only one image in B. It means if I am not having Damini here, it means D is also related with only one element. Now every element is having an image and one element is having only one image. So it will be called function. Now is it clear to you? We will take some more examples. Suppose for example, I am given that the function f is from set A to B, and inside A I am having element -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. And in B I am having some elements like 0, 1, 4, 9 and 16. And function is defined as set of order pair A and B, set of order pairs A and B, or more often we write x and y. X and y such that y is equals to x square. Y is equals to x square. X belongs to, first element belongs to first set, that is A and y belongs to B. Now find all the elements. What we get here? If x equals to -3, y will be equal to x square, that is 9. If x equals to -2, y will be equal to 4. X equals to -1, y will equal to 1. X is equals to 0, y is again 0. X equals to 1, y will equal to 1. X equals to 2, y is equals to 4. X equals to 3, y is equals to 9. Okay. Now make arrow diagram of this situation. What we get? Here it is A. We have element -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is set B. Here we have element 0, 1, 4, 9 and 16. Okay. Now check. -3 is mapped with 9. -3 is mapped with 9. -2 is mapped with 4. -1 with 1. 0 with 0. 1 with 1. 2 with 4 and 3 with 9. Okay? Now look at here. Every element of A is having some image. Okay? There is no element remaining here. So it may be function, but it must satisfy the second condition, that every element will have one and only one image. Look at there. How many images minus 3 have? Only 9. How many images minus 2 having? Only one image, that is 4. Minus 1 is having only 1. That is only one image. Either there is some minus 3 and 3, two elements are having same image. But with this condition we don't have any problem, because our definition is satisfying. What is our definition? Every element of A must have image. There no element is remaining. Every element is having image. And every element must have one and only one image. So minus 3 is having only one image, that is 9. Minus 3 is not related with two elements. It means here one element can have two pre-images, but one element must not have two images. Is it clear? Minus 3 and 3 both are having same image, but we don't have problem with this, because the definition of function is satisfying here, because minus 3 is having only one image, that is 9. Similarly, minus 2 is having only one image, that is 4. So all the elements are having one and only one image, and every element of A is having some image. Hence, this is a function. Is it clear to you? Now, how can we now write the function? We will again write the function in the set of order pair. This is like this. Function is this. Minus 3 is related with 9. Minus 2 is related with 4. Minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 2 and 4, 3 and 9. Some main fundamental word will be the same as the relations, like image, pre-image. And we are taking order pair x and y. This x is called image, x is called pre-image, y is called image, and this x and y is called order pair. Domain will be the set of first element. What is the set of first element? This is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is giving us a complete set A. What is codomain? The codomain is the second set. The second set is B. The range here, range means the second element, 9, 4, 1 and 0. 9, 4, 1 and 0. Again coming here 1, 4 and 9, but we do not write the repeated element in sets. Now look at here. Here the domain and codomain is very clear. First set is domain and second set is codomain, because every time every element will be having some image. So the domain will be always complete set A, and codomain means complete set B, and the range means the second elements. Is it clear to you? Suppose a function f is defined from A to B. If first set is a real set, real number set, if first set is real number set, it means I can say f is a function from R to B. Then since this function is defined on real number, So this function is called real function. If in the case of f is defined from R to R, it means f is defined on real numbers and the resulting values which we are getting, that is also real numbers. If both the sets are real numbers, a and b, both the sets are real number, it means the function is defined on real numbers, that is real function, and the function is giving us the values, whichever values the function is giving us, this is also real values. So this, in this case, this function is called real valued function. It means any function which is defined on real numbers and which is giving us the real value is called real valued function. It means whenever we use term real valued function, it should be clear in mind that both the functions, both the sets a and b, both will be the real numbers. Suppose a set of order pair is given to us. Now tell me, is it a function or not? Check it through arrow diagram. The first set, suppose A, second set B. In the first set, the first element will be like 2, 3, 1 and 0. In the second set, we will have 3, 4, the second element. 3, 4, 3 is here, 4 is here and 5. Now look at here, 2 is mapped with 3 and 2 is mapped with 4. 3 is mapped with 3, 1 is mapped with 4 and 0 is mapped with 5. It means every value of A, every element of A is having an image, but look at here, this 2 is having two images, 3 and 4. So it is not a function. Why it is not a function? Because 2 is having two images, 3 and 4. Is it clear? It means 2 arrow must not move from set A. From a single element, 2 arrow must not be moved. Here 4 are having two pre-images, but we don't have problem with this. Because 1 is having only one image, that is 4. But we have problem with element 2 because it is having two images, 3 and 4. Similarly, take another example. Suppose I am a given set. Now draw a arrow diagram. In A I am having 0, 1. Only first element 0, 1, 3, 4 and 5. In the B we are having 1, 4 and 6. 0 is mapped with 1. 1 is mapped with 1, 3 is mapped with 1, 4 is mapped with 4, 5 is mapped with 6. Look at here, in this case, 0, 1, 3, all are having same image, but I am again and again saying you, we don't have problem with this concept. We should check only this, every element of A is having image. Right? Every element is having image. There is no element remaining. And secondly, one element is having one image. 0 is having only one image, 1. The image of 1 is 1. That is only one image. 3 is having only one image. That is 1. 4 is having only one image. That is 4. 5 is having only one image, that is 6. Now it is a function. So when it is a function, now tell me what is the domain, range and codomain here. What is domain? Domain will be 0, 1, 3, 4 and 5. What is the range? Range will be 1, 4 and 6. Given that there is a function f such like that f of x is equals to 3x square minus 4. 3x square minus 4. And it is defined on function a to b, and in a we have element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Okay. Now find the values of images. It means find the value of function. Find the value function at 1, value function at 2, value function at 3, at 4 and at 5. F of x means y by the definition of function. And x and y is order pair which we write in the set of function. Okay. Now we have given the elements of A. We need to find the images of these all elements of A. Now at x equals to 1, what we get? Y equals to f of 1. That will be 3, 1 whole square minus 4. That is minus 1. At x equals to 2, y will be f of 2. Again we have 3, 2 square minus 4. That is 8. At x equals to 3, y equals to f of 3. That is 3 square minus 4. 27 minus 4. That is 23. And so on. In this way, we can easily find all the values at given points. Is it clear to you? Your NCERT book. Function is given to us, f of x. F of x means y. Y means image. Function is given to us, and it is given that x belongs to R. It means our domain is R. Function is applied on real values, and x is greater than 0. You should remember that what is R? 0, minus infinity and infinity. This is a complete set of real number. Here we need not to attack any negative number. What we have to do? 0 is also not included in this point because we have to take greater than 0. It means this complete part is our domain. This complete part is our domain according to this given condition. Now we have to find the images, because the set of images is called range. And in this question we have to find range. What is the range of this function? It means the function is defined on all these points. It means from 0 to infinity. In the chapter first, we have learned how to create intervals of real numbers. Look at here 0 is not included, so there will be open bracket. The closed bracket will be here if we have equal sign also. It means if 0 is included, then we have closed bracket, but in this condition 0 is not included, so we will take open bracket. And at infinity, infinity never exists, so again open bracket. This is our domain. Now we need to find the range. For finding range, start the values from here. Just remember that after 0 we have point 0.00001, 0.0002 and so on. We cannot able to find at the images at all the values. So directly I will find at 0, at x equal to 0, what will the y? Y will be 2 minus 3 into 0, that is 2. But remember this, 0 is not included in domain, so it will be not included in our range. Since we don't have 0, I have not given 0 in this question, then how can I get result 2? The result will be never 2. But 0 is the starting point. So this 2 will be maybe starting point or maybe end point. Now at x equals to 1, y will be equal to 2 minus 3 into 1, that is minus 1. At x equals to 2, y will be equal to 2 minus 3 into 2, that is minus 5. Sorry, minus 4. Is it clear? In the similar way, we can find many points. At the last we have, at x equals to infinity, we will have y equals to 2 minus 3 into infinity. It means 2 minus infinity. It means minus infinity. We can tabulate all these values. This is x and y. As a starting point, x is 0, then y is 2. X is 1, y is minus 1. X is 2, y is minus 4. At the last, when x is infinity, y is minus infinity. Okay? Set of x is our domain. That is clear to us. And set of y, set of the elements of y, this y is called our images, and set of images is our range. So what is range? In the range we have 0 to minus infinity. We cannot write 0 to minus infinity. We should write like this. This is minus infinity, this is 0, this is 2, this is up to infinity. What the values we have? This 2 to minus infinity, but we have to write minus infinity to 2 in the positive direction. We always move negative to positive direction. So what we have? Minus infinity to 2. Now come to the sign that what we have here, open bracket or close bracket. Of course, infinity does not exist, so open bracket at 2. Now tell me, this 0 is when we don't have 0, then how could we get 2? It means we cannot be get 2. So 2 is not our image. But the nearby point of 2 will be our image. So all these points will be image, but 2 will be not our image. So again, here we have open bracket. Is it clear, students? This is very important, how to make symbols or brackets here. We have taken, first we have finded the domain. What is the domain here? Greater than 0. 0 is not included. So open bracket at 0. 0 to infinity. After that, I have finded all the images. Since 0 is not included, so 2 will also not included. So we have taken open bracket. If 0 is our member, if 0 element we have, then 2 will also we will have. Okay? And infinity, of course, infinity does not exist. So minus infinity to 2, that is the range of this given question. Now we will only need to try the questions of NCERT examples and this and worksheet with the base of topic today we have learned. In the next module, we will continue the same topic with the type of functions and many more questions. Okay, students, the topic is not completed till now. We will continue it with the type of function. In the next module, we will continue this topic. Thank you, class. Thank you so much.